Welcome to Gleann, a new 55 and better planned community. Built by Fowler Homes, it's located in charming Dallas, Oregon, only 12 miles from downtown Salem and near Oregon's wine country. Bordering the original Series Gleann 55 Plus development, it's close to Dallas Golf Club, a 9-hole executive public course. It's also just minutes to Dallas Aquatic Center, walking trails, a community dog park, medical facilities, dining, and shopping. With homes from nearly 1,200 to more than 1,800 square feet, you can choose from multiple thoughtfully designed floor plans, including single-level and 2-level with flex space. You'll discover gorgeous, upscale, modern, and rustic Willamette finishes, plus the Fowler Design Team 2021 interior color scheme selections and optional upgrades. Elegantly designed, features may include vaulted ceilings, contemporary finishes, modern fixtures, and walk-in closets. Gleann Homes offer beautiful landscaping, maintained year-round by a professional landscape maintenance service. Surrounded by farmland, it's a quiet, intimate community in a picturesque setting, yet conveniently located close to city amenities. Visit today and find that special home that fits your needs and dreams, and make it your own. For more information, please contact the team at Premier Property Group at 503-776-0858.